Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. If you haven't started downloading your own fonts yet, get ready for some fun. There are lots of sites out there where you can purchase new fonts and install them on your computer, or others that you can download for personal use completely free. Today I'm going to walk you through downloading a new font from Dafontcom and installing it on your computer and Cricut Design Space. Let's get started. I'm just going to type in Dafont and click on Dafontcom. If you are new to this website, it is full of fun new fonts that you can use in your projects. You can scroll down on the main page to see what's new, or up at the top, you can look for specific styles of fonts. My go-tos are everything in the fancy and script categories. And when you find a font that you like, just click download. If you have a specific quote in mind, you can type in the first few words in this preview section, and the site will automatically give you some examples of what it would look like in different fonts. If you have a particular font that you have seen and want to download it, you can just type the name of the font in the search bar up here. Today I want to find Sea, Sand, Sun, so I'll just type it in, and there it is. Just press download. Now that I have two fonts ready to install, I'll show you how to get them onto your computer and Cricut Design Space. In Safari, I just click on the download button, and the two fonts that I wanted are in here. If you're on a PC or using a different internet browser, you can also just click on the Downloads tab on your computer and find it in there. Double-click on the font folder, and you're looking for the one that has the extension OTF or TTF. Both of these work to install the new fonts on your computer. Click on it, and when the new box pops up with a preview of your font, click Install Font. After a few seconds, Font Book will open, and your new font will show up in the list. We are done with all of these font boxes, so you can just close all of those, and then we will open up Cricut Design Space. In order to install any new fonts, Design Space needs to restart. Because it was already closed when I downloaded my new font, and then I launched Design Space second, the font should show up in the font menu without any issues. Just type in your writing, click on Fonts, and search for your new font. Mine was Sea, Sand, Sun, and there it is. This font is installed and ready to use. When we were looking, I also found the font Paper Banner. Let's go back into Safari and download that one. This time, I'll leave Design Space open when I do it though. It looks like this font has a few different styles for using bold or italics, but for this video, I'll just install regular. If I wanted the other ones, I would just have to click on and install those as well. Now let's go back into Design Space and give it a try. I'll just type in Paper Banner and then click on Fonts. When I search for this font, it is not there. I get the message nothing came up. To fix this problem, just save your work, shut down Design Space, and then reopen it. Design Space had a chance to download the new font while it was restarting, so now when I go to find it, it is there and ready to use. So just remember, if you downloaded a new font and it doesn't show up on the list, just quit Design Space, reopen it, and the new font will be ready to use. Thanks for joining me today, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.